Okay, so here we are at 11488 Lucerne Lane in Tahoe Donner. Super quiet location. Beautiful house. I like this driveway. Pavers. Unique in this area. See, so you've got neighbors, but they're spread out quite a bit. You got this nice entry here. This flagstone looks really cool. You got travertine here. So you come in. Big volume in the gray room. Little shuffleboard there, that's pretty fun. There's pavers in the patio over there. And a good sized dining and kitchen area. Really well done, great room concept here. Fourth bedroom. Double ovens back there in the kitchen. Nice sized garage with one of my favorite sports, ping pong. Yes, some of us do consider it a sport. Powder room here. Sorry I didn't get the lights on there. Let's get that real quick. Okay, it's really pretty. Furnishings are negotiable. Let's give you a look here from those ovens, fridge. Countertops here, nice view from the sink. And so here's the view from the island and the cooking area. Okay, let's go upstairs. Got laundry straight ahead. The main master here, which is nice, facing the back of the property, quiet. Walk-in. I would call that an intermediate walk-in. Not an expert, not a beginner. So there's the setting. Really nice. Some aspens mixed in there with the pines. So that's wooden deck there. The pavers are over on this side. So you can see that neighbor there. And really can't see the neighbor on this side. Master path, tub area. Shower, toilet. Extraordinary fireplace. So there's the laundry room. Bathroom. So this bathroom is serving these two bedrooms, and I didn't even turn the lights on in these because there's a ton of natural light in here. Okay, there you have it. Thanks again for visiting the Big Blue Lake channel. Feel free to reach out with any questions or to come see this one in person.